go to college, get your degree, get a good job, and you can live a comfortable life. That's what they said to us. And you know what? It's a big fat lie. Why? Well, here's why. According to the US Census Bureau, the average salary in America is $56,516. Now that's gross salary, not take-home pay. That would leave you with less than $3,000 a month to live on. What about saving for retirement? The sad fact is, there's nothing left to save for retirement, because did you know that 90% of America retires at or below poverty income levels? Most people aren't even thinking about saving for retirement because they're too focused on trying to keep up with their monthly bills. Life is not supposed to be like that. Life is supposed to be enjoyable, right? Well, we live in the land of the free, so why? Why are we not free? Why are we not free? Why can't we do whatever we want, whenever we want, with whomever we want? Well, I'll tell you why. Well, it's because of this big fat lie that we've been told. And I'm here to tell you there's a better way. And the secret lies in my virtual real estate investing strategies. You can get these strategies in my new mini course that I created for you. You can get access to this new mini course by clicking the button below this video. I want to tell you that it doesn't matter what your current financial situation is. It doesn't matter how much money you have in the bank. It doesn't matter what your credit score is. The only requirement you need is the desire to increase your income and the desire to improve your lifestyle. If you have the desire, I can show you the rest. So grab a copy of my free mini course and discover how to replace your income and start living in real, true freedom, not the freedom that they lied to us about. You've got nothing to lose and so much to gain. I'm on a mission to help 1 million people become financially free in real estate, and I want you to be one of them. So click the button below, get my free mini course. You will be very happy that you did. I'm DC Fawcett, and I will always fight for your freedom.